Have you ever gazed up at the night sky, a sea of stars scattered across the velvet canvas of space, and felt a profound sense of wonder? A feeling that there is more to this existence than meets the eye? What if our reality, the very fabric of our being, is not what it seems? What if it's all an elaborate illusion, a cosmic simulation? This is not a new idea. Ancient wisdom whispers of such possibilities. Now, modern science is beginning to echo those ancient whispers. Join us as we delve into the mysteries of the cosmos and explore the idea that reality might be nothing more than a grand illusion. Is it possible that we are living in a simulated world, a carefully constructed matrix designed to keep us in the dark? The possibility is both exhilarating and terrifying. It challenges everything we thought we knew about ourselves and the universe we inhabit. Could it be that the true nature of reality has been hidden from us, veiled by forces beyond our comprehension? The journey to uncover the truth is not for the faint of heart. It requires courage, an open mind, and a willingness to question everything. But the rewards are immeasurable. For in discovering the true nature of reality, we unlock the secrets to our own existence and tap into a power beyond our wildest dreams. The journey begins now. Centuries ago, in the deserts of Egypt, a secret collection of texts was unearthed, hidden away from the world for millennia. These ancient writings, known as the Gnostic Gospels, offered a radical perspective on the nature of reality and the teachings of Jesus Christ. Among them, the Gospel of Sophia of Jesus Christ stands out, a profound and mystical text that speaks of a simulated world, an illusion created to trap humanity in a state of ignorance. Within the pages of this gospel, Jesus, portrayed as a being of pure light, reveals to his disciples the true nature of the material world. He explains that it is not the ultimate reality but rather a shadow play, a projection of a higher spiritual realm. This echoes the words of the Buddha, who taught that all we see is like a dream, a fleeting illusion. According to the Gospel of Sophia, the material world was created by a flawed deity, a being known as Yaldabaoth. This demiurge, blinded by his own limitations, fashioned a world of illusion, trapping souls in a cycle of suffering and rebirth. Jesus, in this Gnostic perspective, is sent as an emissary of the true divine source to awaken humanity from this cosmic slumber. The Gospel of Sophia offers a glimpse into a time when the secrets of reality were shared openly, whispered among initiates of a hidden wisdom tradition. It is a reminder that the truth has always been present, waiting to be rediscovered by those who dare to seek it. Centuries after the Gnostic Gospels were penned, modern physics began to catch up with the ancient wisdom they contained. Groundbreaking theories emerged, challenging the very foundations of our understanding of the universe. Astonishingly, these theories bear a striking resemblance to the Gnostic vision of reality. One such theory is David Bohm's concept of the implicate order. Bohm, a renowned quantum physicist, proposed that the universe is not a collection of separate objects, but rather a unified, interconnected web of energy and information. He suggested that what we perceive as solid matter is merely a slowed-down, denser manifestation of a deeper, more fundamental reality. This deeper reality, the implicate order, is a realm of pure potentiality, a cosmic blueprint from which all things emerge. Similarly, the holographic principle, developed by physicist Leonard Susskind, posits that the information content of any region of space is encoded on the boundary of that region, much like a hologram. This implies that the universe is a projection of information from a higher dimensional reality. The implications are profound, suggesting that our three-dimensional world might be a holographic projection of a more fundamental reality. These modern theories resonate deeply with the Gnostic view of the material world as an illusion, a projection of a higher spiritual dimension. It's as if science, in its relentless pursuit of understanding, has stumbled upon the very secrets that ancient mystics have been whispering for millennia. Section 4. The Quantum Dance, Consciousness and the Fabric of Reality. The exploration of the universe's mysteries takes an even more intriguing turn when we consider the role of consciousness. Quantum physics, the study of the very small, has revealed a reality that is far stranger than anything we could have imagined. It suggests that the act of observation, of consciousness itself, might play a fundamental role in shaping the fabric of reality. Max Planck, one of the founding fathers of quantum theory, famously stated, "I regard consciousness as fundamental. I regard matter as derivative from consciousness." This radical notion challenges the traditional scientific view of consciousness as a mere byproduct of brain activity. Instead, it suggests that consciousness might be the primary element of reality, the ground of being from which all else arises. Werner Heisenberg, another pioneer of quantum mechanics, shook the foundations of physics with his uncertainty principle. This principle states that it is impossible to simultaneously know both the position and momentum of a particle with perfect accuracy. This inherent uncertainty, Heisenberg argued, was not a limitation of our measurement tools, but a fundamental property of nature itself. Erwin Schrödinger, known for his famous thought experiment involving a cat in a box, further muddied the waters by demonstrating that quantum particles exist in a superposition of states until they are observed. This suggests that the act of observation, of conscious awareness, collapses the wave function of a particle, forcing it to choose a definite state. These groundbreaking discoveries in quantum physics point towards a deep connection between consciousness and the material world, a connection that is far more profound and mysterious than we ever imagined. Could it be that our consciousness, far from being a passive observer, is an active participant in the cosmic dance of creation? Section 5. Awakening from the Dream, a Path to Gnostic Enlightenment. The Gnostic Gospels, with their revelations of a simulated reality, offer a path to escape the illusion and awaken to our true nature. This path, however, is not a passive one. It requires active participation, a conscious effort to shed the layers of conditioning and programming that keep us bound to the matrix. The first step on this journey of awakening is to question everything. We must challenge the beliefs and assumptions that we have inherited from society, from our families, and from the world around us. What if everything we thought we knew about ourselves and the universe was wrong? What if the reality we perceive is nothing more than a carefully constructed illusion? The Gnostics believed that true knowledge, or gnosis, comes from within. It is not something that can be taught or learned from books. It is a direct experience, an awakening to the divine spark that resides within each of us. To access this inner wisdom, the Gnostics practiced various techniques including meditation, contemplation, and mystical rituals. These practices were designed to quiet the mind, to still the ceaseless chatter of the ego, and to connect with the divine presence within. The Gnostics believed that by accessing this inner source of wisdom, we could break free from the chains of ignorance and awaken to our true nature as spiritual beings having a human experience.